Hi guys, I've got some free time, so I decided to do a tutorial finally. This is completely unrelated to weapons. This is for mashup assets. So say you have the materials already, you have the textures, and you even have the meshes already. This is how to make an ESP for this. It's really simple. So say you have the meshes here. You have them in their respective folder file paths. So mine's are, say, Ardent, Armors, and then the name of the thing with the things inside. So for materials, it'd be Materials, Ardent, Armors, Veraglam, and then Veraglam material file. And then for textures, Ardent, Armors, Veraglam, and then the textures. You can set this out however you want. For example, if you're using Heroic Pi or Ad Shield stuff, they've already got their folder set up. So all you need to do is do the ESP for it. So we'll open up FO4 Edit. I'm going to do a shortcut because I'm lazy. So what I'm going to do is base this off of an existing armor. So I'm taking Biglo's US Marine Corps Force Recon ESP and load it up. So what we're going to do is make a fresh ESP from this where you can use an outfit. So we'll do copy as new record on the left hand side, and we'll keep it the same way it is for now. Actually no, we're not. We won't. We will do back. Rewind. We'll do Veraglam outfit. And then we'll make it into a new file. And here's interesting because you can just do it as a normal ESP, or you can do as an ESP marked as an ESL, which is this one there, or to do a pure ESL. Yeah, we'll do this, and then you could rename it to ESL later, which is the same thing if you want to. But I like ESPs marked as ESLs because you get the most flexibility with them. So Veraglam, Veraglam. Boom. So now we've got a new ESL marked ESP, or whatever you want to call it, with the master of armor keywords and US Marine and the main one. So what I'm going to do now is copy the other two, because every armor has 3 pieces. Well, at least 2. The armor add-on and the armor. Constructible just means you can build it at, say, a chem lab, or the armor, the one from Weaponsmith, whatever, I can't remember what they're called. So I'm going to copy this, and then AA Veraglam, and do it to Veraglam, and then constructible object, do the same thing, and we'll do the Veraglam recipe. And put it into the Veraglam one. Close the original one. Cool. So these are the new copies. Go into this, change the name, Veraglam. Oh my god. You can change obviously the settings as you like, but you don't really need. Do the setting. You can change it to clothing. I just used my own one to be fair, but whatever. We'll do armor box. Armor box? Where'd it go? There. Just for now, whatever. Do it like. Object effects. Heal limbs maybe if you wanted to. And go into get the file name. Oh, you didn't do that yet. Okay. And then do this is important because this will be the visual parts of your outfit that will be replaced. So you can just do what I like to do and keep it as just this, because I have my attachments and stuff for my outfits to go on the U's and the A's. So I like to keep the outfits just as this for a body outfit. We'll keep that. Get rid of these. Keep that. Okay, so that's the armor. Then the armor add-on. Oh wait, hang on. Here, where is it? here, it links to the armor add-on that you actually make. So we want to change that to match the new entry. So we're now, because before that was pointing at the original mod, so Biglo's outfit. We want to redirect that. So now it's from there to there to there to there. I know this is a really stupid tutorial, but bear with me. It's my first one, and I am tired. So now we're going to change the actual mesh that appears when you actually make it. So, as this is only a female model, and I am too lazy to make a male model, because why would I make a male model of an outfit that's glamorous? That sounds stupid. Don't be stupid. Okay, so there. That is the third person outfit, not the first person. First person, you can make one or just leave it without one, and it should use the vanilla body, I think. You can delete these for now because I could be completely wrong about this, but I'll test. I just won't have any arms. Probably won't have no arms. I actually normally just have a mesh. One of my own other meshes I just use instead. So, say I go to MSF. There are outfits. This is my cache from all my outfits, and it's incredibly messy. So just bear with me. Hang on, first person. Let's see this. Yeah, let's see. Just plain arms. Brilliant. So we'll do Vera meshes. First person. There. So now we have the third person and the first person. So the character might have a wristband or something, but yeah, you can iron those out. So say if you wanted the first person arms exactly like the third person arms, you'd open up both of the meshes. So this left hand side is the first person, the right hand side is the third. As we can see, it's pretty much bare, but with a necklace, with the wristband. So I'll copy the wristband into this. Boom. And then if I saved it, it would appear in the game, but I'm not going to save it because it's going to interrupt my other. Actually, no, fuck it for now. Who cares? Doom. That one didn't change, so I'm not going to change anything about that. Glam. And then male model. This is for the Go. You should actually have a Go model, but otherwise you can get stuck in when you're loading at the chem lab or whatever place you're building. So I usually just have a placer because I don't really care about what happens there. But if you did care and you want to make a proper mod, you'd make a Go. So you reposition the mesh and use that mesh instead. But my one that I'd use is just a duffel that I retexted from Biglo's one that he has because it's cool. It's cool, man. And there, copy the mesh name. So that is the male model. It doesn't really matter because you're not going to be seeing it on an actual male or female. It's just about what it looks like. So what we've got there is it goes on the body, and then we've got to mirror that on the armor add-on. So, that's handy. Cool. So this one here, we can remove this because it's a chem lab. We don't want it to be the chem bench. We want it to be bench, workbench, chem lab, because I'm being boring. I'm not using that other stuff because I don't want to. And this here are conditions, so you have to reach them before you can build it. So you can see here armor 1 and something else that I don't really understand. I don't need to understand it, so it's fine. Remove it. I don't want conditions. I want to be able to build it whenever I want to build it. Fantastic. Get rid of that because I'm not using. So that was that thing I just did there was a reference to armor keywords. We don't want to use armor keywords. So what we're going to do is get rid of that and then right click, clean masters. So now it should be, yep, see, boom. Because we changed all the references to this mod and all the references to this mod and then done this, it's now independent. So all it's linking is within the actual mod itself. And technically now I could just save it and that will be it. So I will save it as this. Yay! And then exit. And then if you go into your MO2 or Nexus Mod Manager, which I think will leave it in your data folder, I'm not entirely sure, but for me, it's there. MO2, it puts it into your overwrite folder, and I know this is messy as heck, but there it is. You could then move it into the folder for wherever it is for your mod. So I'm going to put it into Veriglam, so Veriglam's here, pop it in there, and then send this to the bottom just for organizational sake. I put that to reset, bring it down, boom, and there's the new ESP ESL that we just made. And then what I would do is go into game. Sorry, I just burped. And then use ESP Explorer or go to Chem Lab, and then you can just build it. So that, I think, is the easiest way of explaining that, but I don't think I've explained it in the most coherent way, so hopefully it helps someone. If not, ask some questions, I'm happy to help. Bye.